In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on OKX Wallet so you can start using it for crypto and Web3. First, go to the App Store or Google Play and download the OKX app. Once it's installed, open it up. On the first screen, you'll usually see two options, Exchange and Wallet. Tap on Wallet to use the OKX Web3 wallet. Now you'll get two choices, create a new wallet or import wallet. Since we're starting from scratch, tap Create a New Wallet. OKX will then ask you to set a password or passcode for the wallet on your device. Create something secure that you'll remember, then confirm it. Next comes the most important part, your recovery phrase, also called seed phrase. Write it down on paper in the correct order and never share it with anyone. Don't save it in screenshots or chats. Confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the right order. After you complete that step, your OKX wallet is created. You'll now see your main wallet screen where you can receive, send, and connect to dApps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.